Chat, before y'all even watch, who do you think did the best? I'm scared. I'm actually nervous. Why does this have more hype than the XXL freshman freestyle Cypher? Why is this more anticipated? This is the real yearly Cypher. I'm sorry. I don't make the. Hold on. I ain't glazing. Look at KK, chat. Yo, chat, y'all gonna stop playing with KK, bro. Lil Yachty. Wait, hold on. What Lil Yachty? Wait, hold on. What? What's it Lil Yachty right here? Is that your tag, K-Son? K-Son. Head in. The Yachtster. Got it.
You know when it comes to what I do, everything I do with serious, nigga. I don't give a fuck what I got going on. When it comes to this content shit, I don't play no games, nigga. I'm gonna give the people what they want every single time. And that's my all.
Kyler!
Shut me up.
1 week, 4 cars. 1 team, 6 stars. Big Lambo in the garage. Corset in front yard. AP on the arm. I done came so far.
Yeah.
AP on the arm. I done came so far.
I'm scared.
Shit like GTA and I ain't got no mods. Why the fuck you gon' tell me how to beat the odds? Backcourt like MJ while I'm here throwing lobs. Bitches throwing it back like they throwing on some rods. 5% for the truck, yeah. She calling my phone talking about she tryna fuck. How you tryna fuck when your baby daddy stuck?
Okay.
Hold up, fuck that nigga. Bitch, I'm tryna fuck. Now let's talk about this streaming shit, cause niggas getting soft. I do my own thing and I put that on the cross. They offered me 40, I told them double it for more. Then Rumble came and started knocking right on that door. Before you talk on me, ask yourself if we the same. I'm not here to play any motherfucking games. Niggas come up and start turning lame. I would never switch a ball, call for the fame. 6 watches plus 2 homes. Now I got 10 bitches and they all calling my 3 phones. Next say AMP, so you know we fucking all of these hoes. That warfare, she giving me dome. Yeah, that warfare, she giving me dome.
Okay, K-Son. I mean, whoa, collar. I see what you're doing with the shades. I see what you're doing with the hat, with the flow. You switched it up from bust down road. You know what I'm saying? You switched it up from the. You feel me? More of a serious tone. But like, you fell off, K.
Yo. Yo, what the fuck?
Look, baby gotta grow on me. Baby gotta grow on me. Yo, look, collar. Baby gotta grow on me. Baby gotta grow on me. You feel me? I felt like you didn't spend enough time on it.
Nigga, I wrote that shit the day off, bro. Cause I'm not dissing niggas, bro.
I just feel like you didn't spend enough time on it. I feel like you made it like a day.
I did make it in a day. I did.
I like what you was talking about, but somebody deliver. I think it was the delivery. I like what you was talking about. You was on some boss shit, like I'm him, nigga. Like, who you talking to, nigga? Like, do you know who you trying to come at, nigga? Like the delivery was just like, boss got 2 phones, live in my hoes. I wanna fuck you. You feel me?
Yo, what the fuck?
He's watching.
Okay.
You know what? Fuck you, this dog shit ass Cypher. Let me tell you something, chat.
My nigga, what the fuck?
I text Collar 2-3 days ago. Hey, Collar. I ain't really been streaming, but I'm probably gonna stream Wednesday. You trying to do CSGO?
I said yes.
CSGO for the first time?
I said
Guess what
yes.
he said to me, chat.
I said yes.
Guess what he said to me, chat.
I said yes.
Tell me what Collar said to me.
Oh my god, this nigga.
Nothing!
He's lying.
Nothing!
Oh. I didn't have to.
Fuck that Cypher!
Oh god, I said yes in my head. Oh my head, I said yes. Oh god, I didn't say shit. Yo, oh god.
My future, you flying through.
Went to Alabama to fuck all of my cup.
Yo, I thought I said yes in my head. Yeah, that's actually wild.
Hold on,
I fucked up. That's our man.
What the fuck were you about to say, gang? Hold on, brethren. Why did I fuck all your what? Hey, what the fuck was Blood about to say? Don't say it now.
Went to Alabama to fuck all of my cousins. Went to play with men overseas like DeMarcus Cousins. I buy it right now, but it's cheaper by the dozen. I'm not from Russia. Why are we rushing? Yeah. All this extra cash, so I bought me a Benz. She's trying to fuck with me because of who I am. That's like
Why this nigga troll rapping?
Special cash, so I bought me a Benz. She's trying to fuck with me because of who I am. That's like peanut butter, but who's my jam?
Nigga rapping like Lil TJX6.
Damn. I just got on a yacht, that's a big boat. I just put on a cozy mid coat. I got my dill in her mouth, that's a pickle. My bitch like a Scooby snack. You can't run from me, bring that booty back. Beep, 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 beep. I'm moving on the highway, driving in high speeds. These niggas are my sons, I'm putting them in a high seat.
This is troll. They're gonna do a second part. This is troll. They're gonna do a second part where they like, y'all thought we were serious? Boom! 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 Hey! Boom! 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 Watch! Watch! Watch, watch. They're trolling.
I'm crushing on this hoe like orange, not like high C. I'm hating on this nigga, someone get his IP. She drained me on my nuts, someone get the IV. No see no competition, yeah, your money's tiny.
Hey, hold on.
He shoot like Ben Simmons, we gon' send him overseas. Hit her from the back, I like her better on her knees.
Damn.
Beat a nigga ass for talking shit in Japanese.
Damn.
Going on nigga bugging. I've been winning so long since Rage was plugging. Shorty wanna go on dates, bitch, when we fucking. Minute man, 3 strokes, I think I'm coming.
Best Cypher so far. Best Cypher so far. Best Cypher so far. Best verse so far. Best Cypher. Agent went crazy. Agent went ballistics. I love those out of you, Agent. You started going crazy. That timing with my strokes was impeccable. Well, I started stroking that shit, and then he started talking about stroking.
He shoot like Ben Simmons, we gon' send him overseas. Hit her from the back, I like her better on her knees. Beat a nigga ass for talking shit in Japanese. Going on nigga bugging. I've been winning so long since Rage was plugging. Shorty wanna go on dates, bitch, when we fucking. Minute man, 3 strokes, I think I'm coming.
I liked that one. I liked that one, Agent.
Hey, Kevlar.
Let's get medicine, Dukas. Let's get medicine.
I wish Kevlar could the beat.
Boy, nigga done made me mad, so I smashed on this mama and I'm fucking on this bitch. Almost fucked this baby mama too, that nigga ain't tried me since. Riding through the trenches, stand on business, 5% is 10. If you my dog, won't cost you out a back door, you about a bit. If you my dog, won't cost you out a back door, you about a hoe. One on route, one on act, I'm that nigga, I fucked them both. Really been chillin', might fuck up the city if my niggas with it. I'm outside, wrist and mouth be glistening, cost a couple digits. Yo, IG crush be in my DM tryna fuck some. I put my chain around my neck whenever I fuck on him. Yo, bro, a bitch, we use that nigga just for store runs. Come shoot your shot at me, I promise I won't say nothing. You let these hoes play in your face and then this game over.
I see why this nigga got a mugshot now. I see that new mugshot, Duke. I seen the post on the Instagram stories. Yeah, I see it. Some thug ass shit.
You let these hoes play in your face and then it's game over. I'm reppin' D-Block AMP so I can't change on them. Can't stay the same, bro, I got brain while in the Range Rover. Stay in my lane, these niggas lame so they be hating on me. I tell my young niggas to chill so shit won't pop off. Ever since I put on wrist, bitch, I been feeling like a rock star. Baby, you are not my bitch, so I don't give a fuck about your roster. If I'm not who you with, then I don't give a fuck about you. These internet...
Hold on. Who you talking to, dude? Who roster you don't care about, dude? Dude, wait, hold on, dude. Dude, why you did that, dude? What that was right there? Little sneaky thing that.
Since I put on wrist, bitch, I been feeling like a rock star. Baby, you are not my bitch, so I don't give a fuck about your roster. If I'm not who you with, then I don't give a fuck about you. These internet niggas, they won't try me cause they know what's up. You say my name, we do some shit and you gon' know it's us. I call Davo and I call Dre, them niggas get the bussin'. Ain't with that soft shit, tell that bitch we can't hold hands in public. I don't fuck with IG hoes, cause them hoes don't mind they business. They be all up in my likes, my comments, even in my mentions. I don't like the public or social media in my business. If I find out that you ran your mouth about me, bitch, you finished. Like, bitch, you gone, ayy. Get off my phone, ayy. Delete my number, bitch, you block, leave me alone, ayy. Like, bitch,
W Thug right there, chat. Davis ass beat, GG. Davis ass beat, GG. Davis or Chris ass beat. It's a Davis or Chris ass beat right here. Oh yeah. Talk to me, Christopher.
Getting money really is a mindset. I was living up in poverty, nigga, think my mindset. Next story, next up, swear that nigga loading it. Only kids watch your content, you like Nickelodeon. Niggas pocket watching, so fuck, nigga, watch him grow. Got that Cali swag, this shit hit that doggy in your hoe. Ooh, ooh, I could ride off in a new coupe. Vroom, vroom, see the envy in your face. A Charlemagne interview, trying to knock me off my balance while I kept my solid. I'm no DJ Khaled, but I know that God did. Crib with a pool court, scholar view shit. Feel like
I'm turning shit hard! You going crazy! I'm sorry, I gotta go back. That nigga going crazy. Cole going crazy.
That Cali swag, Nickelodeon. Niggas pocket watching, so fuck, nigga, watch him grow. Got that Cali swag, this shit hit that doggy in your hoe. Ooh, ooh, I could ride off in a new coupe. Vroom, vroom, see the envy in your face. A Charlemagne interview, trying to knock me off my balance while I kept my solid. I'm no DJ Khaled, but I know that God did. Crib with a pool court, scholar view shit. Feel like Clyde's sisters, blessed and highly favorite. Bracelet hit a nigga head like a Cardi Moss pit. She an animal, she eat that dick like ostrich. Okay.
Don't troll me. Don't troll.
I've been making plays so long, I feel like Greg Pop. Staying on my space, don't let the head get to my head top. That boy got a clock, and my money just like with me. I could do anything, I got the Lord with me. I caught my ex bitch off, now she feel offended. She love me like anime, hoes love Corey Kenshin. That's the difference. Even if I had a clone, I'd still be different. Mama said, please don't lose your focus. I got used to pop my, I got hurt, now I got purpose. Damn, nigga, please shut the fuck up about my damn knee. You don't get no hoes in your career, you just like AC Green. Hippopotamus was in the mud, now I'm super clean. Now my whole damn life is like a movie scene. Let me chill the fuck out. I think my dad might be watching. I gotta stop cursing.
Chris, that's stupid. Nah, that's the best one so far. That's the best one so far. Oh, wait. Davis, who you feeling like? Oh my god, I'm scared. Davis, who you feeling like?
It's out. It's out. I can't hear that well. I can't hear it.
Fuck.
I can't hear that well. Damn.
My future,
I can't hear that well, money. It's like Can you? Damn. Ay, I'm the top of the hill like what? Bitch, I'm the king of the city. I'm at a steakhouse to eat brunch. I take it out cause she pretty. They ain't believing the kid from the start, but you know God did it. And you know God what? And you know God did it. I ran it up like I did it. No, I ain't talking down on your shit. Lucky I'm leaving a tenny. AMP on the pennant. Niggas mad that we trending. I just ran me a 50. 50K in this lawn. That's a purse from my mom. No, we can't get along. All you bitches are wrong. Make the whole team rich. Pray my brothers never switch. Pray my brothers never switch.
my future, you fly.
Hey, I've been racking up. See the how I made $1 million in my second month. I see the hate comments, I don't really give a fuck. What a cocked nigga, Elon, where my Cybertruck. I'ma just give it and go. Every day, thank God, cause only God know. I've been getting to it, never satisfied, I need more. They ain't hearing what I'm saying, so I guess I got to show. Wake up in the morning and make it play. Only conflict I'm having is what I'm gonna wear today. I gotta concentrate, gotta get my mind straight. I ran it up, whole team get a plate.
Get a plate. Okay.
Got that shit on me right there.
Phantom! I forgot. Wait, Phantom Match about to go crazy here. Phantom Match about to go crazy here.
Bueno. Ay, I always gotta eat good. I'm a food enthusiast. This is not an act, baby. I really do this shit. Never told a high point. It's unreliable. I love me a Glock 19 that's gon' fall on you. We got the drop on YOLO, yeah, we had the bad day. 7.62s like Kai, I'm a Senate. I'm not tied to
They
the
haven't
streets,
said
but
that.
I'm tied to the streets. Walk out the club with my chains on, she wanna ride with me. Throw the shades on when I spit, I think I'm Pluto. Beat a nigga like karate, yeah, I'm talking judo. I never ate at Arby's, I am not Caucasian. I'm black, brown, and proud, and I fuck with Blazers. But I'm not a racist, I fuck on all races. I wear white Oxford denim tints, then I fix my laces. I'm in Tokyo, my chauffeur Japanese. All this money got me speaking that Guapanese. I got a happy ending, shorty on her knees. Cool aside, that means she saying please. Damn, and it just makes sense. I only like Benjamin's little nigga, you can keep the sense. Damn, and it just makes sense. My little nigga, he a crash out, he don't got no sense. It just makes sense. Damn, hey, I know when a nigga fake, I can feel it. I know when she by the night, I can feel it. I only forgot, little nigga, I will never feel you. I pray you get your life together, shit, I dare you. I made a middle of GTA, now I live like Michael. My niggas only wanna shoot, they don't wanna fight you. Police get up on my ass and I'ma get the swerving. Why this bitch think I'm broke, I won't buy her a Birkin. I know them old niggas mad, they ain't believing me. They see me pop out, they hoes, they wanna be with me. I'm road dog in my bitch, she gon' text me she late. If you owe me some money, it's cool, just don't be late. Going for a money jog in my big 30s. I hate Twitter people, they wear them niggas all dirty. I'ma go to the moon with this shit, call me Neil Armstrong. I bet 315 real easy, I really think my arm strong. I be doing white lines, I ain't talking cocaine. All that money you getting, they making you less lame. She got a girlfriend looking at me, I think she bisexual. I hate groupie niggas in the club, they try to get right next to me.
Hold on, what was that run this nigga just did right now?
I hate groupie niggas.
What that was, bro? What that was, Fano? What that was, bro?
You getting, they making you less lame. She got a girlfriend looking at me, I think she bisexual. I hate groupie niggas in the club.
Chat, I ain't gonna lie, chat, you have a juicy burger. You have a juicy ass burger in your hands.
And they making you less lame. She got a girlfriend.
Nigga pull up on you like these, chat. What are you doing? He pull up on you just like these. What you doing, gang? He pull up on you just like these with that juicy ass burger in your hands. You know why he here. You know why he running.
I hate groupie niggas in the club. They try to get right next to you. Yeah, that hot. Hey, free real, nigga. Free the inspiration, man. AMP shit, man. Cypher shit, man. Fuck is wrong with y'all, nigga?
Oh, the Yachty.
Look.
Bo.
Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. I was counting up in him on a private flight. All this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Even blow it like a whistle, lie to officials. I drip you down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill. I caught your line, Tammy, and I fuck with you still. So many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Fuck nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit, I might run for Senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Bring my doggy out that cell, straight up out that gutter. We been them niggas every since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see her, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Gripping her hair while she talking.
Hold on, why did nigga drop the whole song on this shit, bro? Why about all drop the whole, why couldn't I drop the song like this? It's a song again, like this shit. Like, bro, niggas about to cut this nigga part out. Yo, niggas about to cut this nigga part out and put it on Apple Music, bro. GG, bro. Why this nigga showing out, chat? Why you showing off, Yachty?
Got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Bring my doggy out that cell, straight up out that gutter.
For free?
Every since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see her, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Gripping her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffing. In my corner, baby doggy psyched out still. If baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spinning still. Lifestyle shit get
Jay, this beat crazy too. Ew, K-Son. K-Son.
Fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spinning still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I been living shady. I been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. Beat it. I don't need a rap friend, I'ma step solo. Facts. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall.
Why is he doing that? Yo, Bo, chill.
Yo,
What's he doing, gang?
You pause this shit one more time, I'm gonna
Like,
smack
you
this.
doing
I'm
that?
gonna smack this shit out you. If you pause this fucking video one more time. You pause this shit one more time, I'll smack the fuck out you.
Why he sliding?
Friend, I'ma step solo. Facts. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up the mall. I just beat up my wrist, I was ducking IRS, I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air Drake, so I was taking that switch. They gave me hands at 18, ain't know what to do. I fuck a sack up at a jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with a teller, I don't know Q. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. Empty the clip, reload the clip, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't cam. Go take a cold, I copped RP to couple lambs. That boy is not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grow up better than Adonis Graham.
That nigga didn't stop!
It's us. It's us, nigga!
Oh, why you looking at me like that, gay? What the fuck wrong with you?
It's us.
This nigga's stupid.
Am I as cool if I do that shit? You be throwing out the same shit I throw. You don't even know what it means, chat. You don't even know what that means, chat. You don't know what the fuck going on. Damn. Yo, why the fuck Bolt did that?
Said I'm on 3+ right now, if I'm being honest. Hope my feelings shoot out like a rocket. Niggas thought they had the swag, but I'm really on it. Look at you just window shopping that new bag I bought.